Today, we're checking out LouiseBot, a powerful platform designed to help businesses create AI chatbots that integrate text, voice, and video. These bots can engage with, support, and sell to customers seamlessly. In recent years, AI has revolutionized chatbots, but LouiseBot operates on another level. It offers video pop-up chatbots for engagement, text chatbots for clear communication, and advanced AI that handles prospecting and customer support 24/7. Pop-up video chatbots. One of the most exciting features is the pop-up video chatbots. With a simple drag-and-drop builder, you can set triggers, timeframes, and add videos with compelling CTA, call-to-action buttons. It's super easy to set up, ensuring a smooth and interactive experience for your users. Customizable AI chatbots. LouiseBot also offers customizable AI chatbots that you can train by building your own knowledge base. With just one click, these bots are integrated into your customer support, making slow response times a thing of the past. The process is streamlined and simple, making AI integration accessible even for beginners. The human clone feature. A standout feature is the human clone, which turns a real version of you into a digital avatar that can engage with customers. Once you've provided some basic info, LouiseBot generates a QR code you can add to your business card. When scanned, your digital clone will chat with customers, answering their questions and selling your products just like you, except it works 24/7. Boosting sales. If you run an e-commerce store, the video pop-up feature is particularly useful. It allows you to personally welcome customers and introduce them to your products and services. And when they have specific questions, the AI chatbot uses your SOP, standard operating procedures, and knowledge base to assist them in real time, helping close more deals. The LouiseBot offers a simple, scalable solution for businesses looking to increase customer engagement, enhance support, and boost sales. Whether you're a small business owner or a large company, this platform can help you convert more customers while you sleep. Ready to try it out? Click the Buy Now button and secure your lifetime access today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.